Okay, now let's take a start with speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some simple questions and you got to give some simple answers in 4-5 sentences, right? Just relax, calm down, and you don't need deep knowledge of the questions. You can answer in any way. It's all answer depends on you. Questions depend on the examiner, but answers always depend on you. You can take any direction, but make sure your answer is according to the question. Now, the question is, do you have a lot of furniture in your house?
No, I don't have many furniture.
I don't have a lot of furniture in my house.
I don't have a lot of
Or I don't have
furniture.
many pieces of furniture in my house.
I don't have a lot of furniture in my house because my parents not feel comfortable with crowded area or crowded area and
My parents don't feel comfortable with crowded areas. Therefore, I've got only little furniture in my house, and otherwise we've got a lot of empty space. Something like that. Is there anyone who bought furniture for you?
yes, in my house my parents always bought furniture for us, and they like to buy
They like to buy different kinds of
different kind of
furniture.
furniture, and they always buy furniture from small shops instead of
Going to the big showrooms.
big showrooms or brand shops.
Okay, so you have the potential. Just bring your ideas out and use appropriate words for that, right? What kind of furniture would you like to buy?
Personally, I like to buy modern or handmade furniture because they are so looks good and with clean lines. In my future, when I construct my own house, I would like to buy that type of furniture.
All right, so home construct and शादी करेगा तो निकल जाएगा, हाँ? Parents को पीछे छोड़ के शर्म तो नहीं आती? Alright, just kidding. So you can just focus kind of furniture.
Yes, sir.
Like I would like to buy a comfortable sofa. Because I love watching TV, so I sit sometimes on chair, sometimes I sit on the floor to watch TV. I would like to buy a comfortable sofa which is meant for watching TV, and then I'll sit on the sofa and watch TV, and I will become a couch potato, right? Which furniture do you like best in your house?
In my house, I love to sit on my couch.
Okay, in my house there is a couch, and I love that couch very much because it is very like that. Okay, so which furniture do you like best in your house?
In my house, I love my couch. I love my couch because they are so comfortable, and
It is so comfortable.
It is so comfortable and so soft.
Yeah, whenever I sit on it, I don't want to get up.
Whenever I set it, I never
Want to get up. Right.
I always sit there for watching movies or
Okay.
get together with my family.
Good.
For some.
So
snacks.
I look like a potato on that couch. Therefore, my family members call me couch potato. You know couch potato? A person who is sitting all the time and not doing anything. Like we say hardaram and all that. Couch potato. Who is just sitting and watching TV and not moving here and there. We call that person couch potato. So you have a couch and you are a potato. So couch potato. Okay, that's fine. Very good. Now it's your turn. We'll just go on. By the way, you have the potential. Just try to express yourself. English, please. I'll ask you later. Don't worry. So, stages of life, that is your topic. Do you enjoy your current stage of life?
Yes, I am enjoying my current
Listen,
stage
my
of life.
question is, do you enjoy? So, you should say, yes, I enjoy. Don't say, I am enjoying. I am enjoying is present continuous.
Yes.
My question is in present simple. So, it's a good idea to answer in present simple. If I say, are you enjoying your current stage of life? Then you can say, yes, I'm enjoying my current stage of life. But question is, do you enjoy? So, you should say, I enjoy or I do enjoy my current stage of life, and then elaborate. So, let me ask you again. Do you enjoy your current stage of life?
Yes, I do enjoy my current stage of life because in this stage I'm doing multiple tasks. Firstly, I am doing IELTS preparation. After that, I go back to my hostel room and I make a call to my mom and after that I play game, and I really enjoy it.
Okay, now just focus the stage of life and use present simple tense for that. In what stage of your life were you the happiest?
Sorry.
In what stage of your life in the past were you the happiest?
Yes. Recently, I completed my bachelor's degree, and when I told my parents that I have passed my bachelor's, and they feel very happy.
Wrong answer, wrong answer. Listen up, listen. The question is, in what stage of your life were you happiest? So you should say, I was happiest when I completed my bachelor degree. Almost a couple of months ago, when my result was announced, I came to know that my bachelor degree was completed and I got very good CGPA. So when I told my parents, they were really excited. So according to me, that stage of my life was the happiest one for me, sir, when I graduated.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just link it like that. Don't just give elaboration without pinning your answer to the main question, right? So answer again. In what stage of your life were you the happiest one?
The stage when I graduated that stage was really happy for me, and and my parents also proud of me, and
my parents were proud of me.
My parents were proud of me, and it is also a happy moment for me.
It was the happiest moment of my past tense. Now you are using present. You are coming back to
Yes,
present. That's what they see. Which stage of life do you think is the most important?
I think the stage when you decide your career is the most important stage in your life, because career is the stage when you decide your future, and it's all depend on
it all depends upon.
It all depends upon this stage, and you have to think very critically. So I think it's
important. So I think this is the crucial age. For most important, you can say vital. You can say crucial.
Crucial,
right? Let's go on. What is your plan for your next stage of life? Means future.
My plan is after completion my IELTS test, I am planning to move to UK for my master's studies, and betterment of my future, and
and betterment of my future. It's not a sentence. And for the betterment of my future, I will really work hard. Something like that. Make full sentences. If you make phrases, that will bring you low band score. So please answer again. What's your plan for the next stage of your life?
After completion my IELTS test, I am planning to move to UK for my master's studies, and after that I will work hard for my future betterment, and it is important for me to work hard to achieve my goal. To get my goal.
Okay, to get my goal or to achieve my goals. Just focus the tenses and focus your sentence structure. Phrases are not good. Make complete sentences. Connect your ideas. Connect your sentences, and that will bring you good pen score. Okay. Thank you.